Hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmi. Just making sure, did you sign up already for our free Notary Q&A happening next Friday, May 15th, 7 p.m. Eastern? That's right, it's being hosted by Notary Educators. Bring all of your questions. If you have a business and you still are not making money, you still don't know about additional services that you could be adding to your business, you need to be in the room. All of your questions will be answered. Next Friday night, sign up at notaryeducators.com. See you then. Again, Notary Educators free Q&A. Let's go. Their parents are helping them write books, but this older crowd between 30 to 60, we have zero interest in learning the internet. Zero interest in learning how to make this digital money. We have got to put on different thinking caps. What worked 20 years ago, 30 years ago, 40 years ago, even last year, guys, you can see what AI has done. So we have got to get with the program. So that's my new venture. Notary is not going nowhere. Notary Educators is strong, up and running. But even I want to have something else. And plus, that's my passion. I love talking notary. But my new thing is, like Ms. Diamond is saying, it's all about tech. I've learned so much from doing my businesses, because, I got my notary business too. My regular general notary business, right? Loan signing. In addition to having Notary Educators, our teaching program. So I got my hands in a little bit of everything. So I'm hoping to continue to grow with my community and have them to teach on the new platform too. Some of the ones from Notary Educators, I've already kind of put a bug out there. So I'm putting things together. So as I continue to grow, other people can grow, because I can't do it by myself. But my point for you today is take your commission. What's next steps? Okay, I got my commission. I got my stamp. I have my journal. What do I need to know now? What to do with it? How to stamp the paper. So a lot of people will say, well, you don't need to know how to stamp the paper. You need to know how to do this. Let me tell you guys, if you don't know how to stamp the paper correctly, you have no business doing business. You will have no business, period. If you don't know how to stamp that paper, everything starts with knowing how to properly notarize your documents. Everything. So Diamond says that's the problem for her. She says no walkthrough. She's more hands-on. Thank you for the encouragement. Well, Diamond, I guarantee you, just like the other hundreds of people that have gone through our program, you work for the government, you would be able to go through the course, and we meet weekly, and there's a live chat 7 days a week where if you get stuck, you can ask a question as you're going through it. Now, we're not saying every time you have a question in the training, drop it in the chat, because some things you just got to let the next course solve the problem, okay? But I'm pretty sure we've had hundreds of people, hundreds. We've taught thousands, okay? Literally, before we started doing the mentorship program, we had another live training that we did hands-on. So you would be able to learn. If you're talking about doing AI ain't gonna be hands-on, Ms. Diamond. You got to learn how to read, how to just process. The courses are just like what we teach here live on YouTube, the way I teach and talk right here. That's the same thing over there. In the training courses, they're kept short and simple for a reason. You should be able to start executing, okay? So this is not new for us in the way we teach. It's not. Now, I understand we get a lot of people say that, well, I prefer hands-on. You're going to get a lot of hands-on training when you get out there. I don't care how much hands-on training you think you take, you will not be prepared until you start touching them documents in real life with real people. So we give you everything we can to get you prepared. And then in addition to that, the live chat, if you're in the all-inclusive mentorship plan, it includes, if you're stuck at a table, you just tell your client, oh, Mr. Smith, give me 1 second just to collaborate with my teammate. Give me just a second. I just need to ask one quick question about this document. And that's when you drop it in the chat and we will help you. If we need to call you, we will. But most things we can handle right from the chat, because there's not too many things out there that we have not seen. Okay, so you have me, you have your notary trainers on the Notary Educators team. And then you have your whole notary community behind you, all different states. It doesn't matter what state you're located in. Lori's in Illinois, Lisa's in Georgia, others are in Texas. We got all states, Nevada, Tennessee, Ohio. So it doesn't matter what state you're in. Once you learn how to properly notarize, it does not matter. I always use the illustration about a doctor. If he's a heart doctor, he doesn't have to work on a black person, white person, Asian person. He works on hearts. You work on documents, okay? That ginger is bothering me. Okay. So CC, hey CC. CC says, Miss Kimmi, I told a friend I have my stamp and she wants me to stamp for her son to legitimate his child. Okay. If you feel ready, just take your time. And congratulations on your first signing. Yeah. Are you charging her? And do you feel comfortable to do it? Are you charging her any money? Okay, that's something else I'm going to work on for 2026 is charging even my friends. I have a huge friend network. And I'm hesitating because I got that ginger on the stove. I'm trying to see, should I just cut it off? But I really want it finished by the time I get off this live. Yeah, so for 2026, guys, one of my goals, my personal goals is going to be charging my friends. Yep. That's a whole stream of income. A lot of times if they're elderly, if they're homebound, we worship together, I'll say, oh, it's okay. Just leave me a review. I think 2026, I'm going to change that model, my model. Okay, I'm going to change that. They have, and I charged a friend recently for something, and it felt kind of good. Now, do I need to charge them full price? I don't know. I got to think about that one, but I do know for sure 2026, we're going to go in a different direction when it comes to pricing and charging friends. Yep. Coach Kimmi, all about that K. All about the K. All right, let's see. Joanne says, Kimmi, you are so right. After you touch the documents is where it begins. Girl, yes. Once you hit that first document, you get a taste of that money. Because that's why I really wanted Kay Denise to make it on here. I don't know that it's going to happen. Because, again, she's having some technical difficulties. But once you have a taste of that quick general notary money and you know what to do because you've been properly trained, we have this state/trust training. There's a lot of buzz around that right now. You don't have to pay $200 for that training. It's included in mentorship. It's state/trust. Okay, actually, I'm going to show y'all the inside of the course because I got my StreamYard today. So let me show y'all the inside right quick of what's all in the course, because all this, what you're paying for, separate here, separate there, is all included, plus live weekly coaching. Okay, the coaching itself, and everybody says the chat. I don't know. It depends on what you prefer. Some people love the live coaching part. Some people love the chat. I love all of it, and most people do too, because we are such a community. Okay, hold on. I'm going to show you guys the course, the inside, so you can see what you're missing out on and how we can get you in the program. Let me show you the $27 one first, and then I'll come back and show you the $47. Okay, so let's do like this. I'm gonna do share screen. Let me cut that ginger off. Hold on, let me do share screen, and then hold on one second. Okay. All right. So this is the Notary Business Success Starter program. Look at that screen while I cut this ginger off, y'all. Supposed to have a job at 3 o'clock. All right, here we go. So this is inside the startup plan. As you can see, it's only $27. Okay, in the startup plan, you have Notarize Like a Pro. You have the specialty general notary course. Let me make sure y'all can see it. Y'all can see my screen, right? The screen is not showing right now. Okay, hold on. Hold on 1 second. Okay, hold on 1 second. Let's do share screen. Okay, there we go. You should see it now. Now you can see it. Oh, perfect. Perfect, perfect. Now you can see it though, right? Because I can see it here. Now you can. That might be a little delay on the comments.